Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by, and I do apologize if you hear the lawnmower. My yard guy's here making it a little noisy, so I do apologize, but I hope you stick around. I really felt like doing a journal page, and I thought I would try to do a whole page basically using just the tissue paper, but some of the ones that I had made, and this was a previous video which I can add to the end of this video if you'd like to take a look. But I grabbed those back out, and I just thought I wanted to come up with a journal page using just these items. Not just these. Now I did make more that day, and probably since then because it's so addictive. But here's just a couple more that I made. This one I added color to, which I probably won't use today. I really kind of want to stick with a black and white theme. Grays, you know, shades of gray and stuff like that. But I also made my focal point, and I thought I would use these flowers. Now these are the same flowers using the same process that I used in my last video. So I can also link that if you want to check it out. And I have a couple of single ones, and of course I've got the bouquet. So like I said, I have an idea, but you know, who knows what's going to happen once you start art journaling. You just kind of go with the flow. That's enough chit-chatty. I'm going to straighten up here and I'm ready to get started. One more thing, I did want to mention that I did glue the next page to the page before. I know when I made this video, because this was the first journal page I did in the Artisa book, and this is watercolor paper, and I really felt like it was heavy duty enough to maybe take, you know, flip over and do another spread. But when I looked at it, it was a little bit warped, and I thought it would just be a much cleaner look if I just went ahead and glued that next page down. So I just wanted to throw that out there so you're aware, and now I'm going to get to it. Okay, I think I'm done. It's hard because, you know, from tearing off the edges of the overflow, I've got all these like little bits, just little pieces of the images, and I could probably spend, you know, another 2 hours just adding little bits here and there, and you could just go crazy. You could lose yourself doing that, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I think I'm going to call it quits. And I really like it, and that was a lot of fun. So if you've not checked out those videos about making your own decorative tissue paper, I suggest you go take a look, because you can definitely use it in other projects that you might have. I'm going to save these bits. I think I'm probably going to maybe make a tag or something with those. A true crafter, you know, you just don't throw anything away. But why? I mean, I can use that to make a tag, which who knows, maybe I'll even do that for my next video. I really like how it turned out, and I hope you did as well. If you did, I would love it if you would let me know and give me the thumbs up and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. I would really love to hear from you. Well, I think that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. All right, remember when I said that you could just go nuts adding tiny little pieces here and there, and I wasn't going to do that? Well, I lied. I've been doing that. And I don't know if I did a great job of it actually right here. It bothered me that I didn't line it up all the way against the edge of the page when I first put this image on. I just kind of wanted to add something dark, but you can kind of see where it's like a straight line, and I don't like that. That's why it just, to me, always looks better if you tear it. It just looks more organic, but it's okay. And I added just a couple little touches. Some places where the transition between images was just cut, I tried to cover some of that up with the white gesso just to kind of make it blend in. I didn't feel like it did a whole lot of good though. I added that little piece right there. It just kind of flows now. So I was doing that, and then I looked at one of my main images, and it just looked real faded. So I thought I would grab one of my pens and just kind of go over, I think it's really just the stems. And I know I put this little flower on at the end, and so I think I will go ahead and just push it to the back and have the stems go in front, so it clearly looks like it's meant to have been in the back. As you can see, I had to extend the stem on this one just to make it look right. I can tell the ink from my pen is still wet, and since I'm doing this over top of the Mod Podge, I'm not sure, it may smear, so I'm not going to touch it until it dries. But yeah, so I think I'm done doing my little additions.